Hi guys, recently I've just stumbled on this unique profile of Fiverr by Richard Ford, and I was literally flabbergasted by seeing what type of service this guy is selling. This guy is selling wedding speech writing, and I was literally surprised to see that there is extremely low competition of this niche on Fiverr, and I've also checked that on Upwork as well. For the general niche of speech writing, there are only 368 people selling this service on Upwork, and only 340 people are selling this on Fiverr. And if you see, there is an extremely good demand of this niche in this market. 210 services are done by this guy, but he's charging 165, 85, $50, 185. So most of these people are charging extremely high. So you may say that you have a way to penetrate into this market using this extremely easy niche. And if you will go an extra mile, check out the wedding vows as well. Wedding vows are the promises that a married couple does on their wedding in United States and most of the Christian culture. And similarly, the best man speech, which is most of the time it's quite funny, that is done by the closest person of the groom. So how you can write all this? Simply, if you are good at English, you can write it on your own. If you have this comic sense of creating some sort of funny content, you can do that. Or you can simply go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT Baba to do all that stuff for you. Simply go to ChatGPT and write a prompt like this, that please help me write a funny best man speech for a wedding. Ask it and it will just simply start writing one for you. So this way you can get an extremely good sample, and you can find zillions of samples like this on the internet as well. The best part of this service is that this is not like some blog writing or some content writing job that you will be doing for some sort of business. So if there is some sort of plagiarism, that would be very okay. The motive of the buyer in this, that their audience should be investing their attention to that person, and that should be sounding engaging. Roughly around 2 million people get married every day in America. So we are just grabbing a small chunk of that. It would be quite obvious that these 235 orders, these 100 orders, it is just the tip of the iceberg. So I have given you a way to enter into this market. Go and make a gig on wedding speech on Fiverr and Upwork as well, and outshine everyone. Thank you very much.